This dance is called Love Somebody. 32 count, 4 walls. There's a restart at wall 3 after 16 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with our right foot, small jump back on right, kicking left out to left. Back, kick, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross. Make a full turn to your right, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, step right to the side. Let's show one again. Small jump back on right, kicking left out to left. Jump, kick, behind, side, cross. Side, rock, cross. Full turn to your right, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, step right to the side. With a count, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Section 2, do a sailor quarter turn to the left. Sailor turn, touch, diagonal, touch, side, touch, point, behind, side, cross, stepping left to the side. Section 2 again. Sailor quarter turn to the left. Sailor turn, touch, diagonal, touch, side, touch, point, behind, side, cross, stepping left to the side. So with a count, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Third section, make a 1-8 to your right by stepping your right back. Back, hitch left, step left down, forward lock, step. Do 3/4, 3/8 diamond shape. Cross 1/8, back, 1/4 to the left, step forward on right, and step left to left. So now here, section 3, 1/8 to your right by stepping left back hitch, step, forward lock, step, 3/8 diamond, cross, 1/8, back, 1/4 turn, forward on right, step left to left. So with a count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Last section, cross rock recover. Cross rock recover, side. Do a weave to your right. In front, side, behind, quarter. Step, pivot, half turn, forward. Rock, recover. And you start the dance again. So let me show you section 4 again. Rock, recover, side. In front, side, behind, quarter. Step, half turn, forward. Rock, recover. With a count, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. And you start the dance with stepping right back, hitch, behind, side, cross. So in this dance, at wall 3, there is a 16 count restart. So wall 3 is facing 6 o'clock. We'll do wall 3 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. At this junction, you do a restart. 1, 2 and 3,